What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to locate your Instagram account password and username on your mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Forgetting login credentials is common, but Instagram has made it simple to retrieve them. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. On the login screen, you'll see an option for those who have forgotten their password. Tap on Forgot Password. Enter your Instagram username. If you can't remember it, don't worry. You can also use the email address or phone number linked to your Instagram account. If your Instagram is linked to your Facebook, you can choose the Login with Facebook option for easier access. When this is done, tap Next after entering your details. Instagram will guide you through a few steps to verify your identity. It's essential for ensuring the security of your account. Instagram will send a verification link to your email or as an SMS to your phone. Choose the method that's best for you. Next, click on the received link, which will redirect you to a new page. Here, you can set a new password for your Instagram account. Now that you've set a new password, use it along with your username to log in to Instagram. After setting a new password for your account, write down your new password somewhere safe or use a password manager. In addition, consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. You should now have full access to your Instagram account with your new password and username. For more detailed instructions and additional tips, check out the full guide linked in the video description. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.